I love bags.
Do you want to explain what you're doing first? I haven't filmed you doing anything.
Just me testing it.
Just testing things.
However, do you think some people will just lean on, no, it's there and lean on it?
Find out.
I think people will notice it.
If there's a tea towel on it.
If there's a tea towel.
Indicating.
That there's...
Oh, I get to do something new.
Can we do the drilling?
I'll give you a minute. Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
And you be the camera gal?
Yeah, I'll go get you the drill piece.
Thanks.
Line it up.
Why is the drill piece like that? Why does it look like that? Why is it so long?
Because it is long.
Doesn't it usually like that?
Right, so you've got to line it up. You pre-line it up underneath. Yeah. We should do you just want to pre-drill it?
Okay.
Yeah? Right.
But can you explain to me why the drill piece is so long?
Because it just is.
No, but that doesn't answer anything, Shane.
Because that's the way that it was made.
But usually when you're drilling into things, it doesn't look like that.
We're putting it, by the way,
Oh yeah, please explain what's happening, Ruby.
we're putting in a rack for all the tea towels to go right here so they don't have to hang on this floppy woppy thing. Yeah, that's what we're doing, if you were curious.
Instead of just watching Shane swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what a drill piece usually looks like, doesn't it?
What? Alright, load it.
Yeah.
And then do 2 jobs here.
Oh,
You just gotta go that top one there.
okay.
I'm just gonna drill it in there, just a little bit. Oh, hold on.
I've done it now.
No, you're not. Just so line it up straight. Have a look. So now you just gotta punch it in a little bit. Go a little bit more. Alright, you're going to get that, and you're going to put that.
Okay. I did just look into the light and now I can't see.
Hold on,
Don't put that in.
Perfect. Oh, what happened? Not so perfect.
Bit too much torque. That's right.
Talk as in T-A-L-K?
No,
Or the other talk?
no. That's right, we get another screw. That's not the end of the
I think you did a great job.
You did. I did the bad job.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. You did do the bad job.
This is going to set back feminism at least like 30 years.
Ruby, it's just because we're smart.
Yeah.
We don't need to do these things because we get meant to do it for us.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not how it works. Really.
Oh, is that wrong to say those things on camera?
No.
I'm just using our brains, not our muscles.
Yeah.
Plus, we haven't been given the opportunity to learn these things in life.
Exactly.
But guys have. They grow up knowing this sort of stuff.
Alright. Well, that's it. I'll be honest, these screws aren't great.
Play on the screws.
Wow.
Well, you can now set the drill out.
What am I going to do?
You want to get that drill? You got to punch in the bottom, just a little hole.
Okay.
And then you have to put it on a little angle, but that's alright. So that's good.
That's great.
Thanks.
Tough.
Very.
Alright.
I'm sorry, I can't.
You're right. It's
Oh my
easy.
God,
It's just
I
a
know.
thing you've got to do 1,000 times.
I know.
And you get used to it.
Okay, okay.
Alright?
You going?
Yeah. Alright, get out of the hanging. So you can actually get lined up.
Tea
Just
break.
press up just
A little
slightly.
tea break, Max.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Still the old,
Almost finished.
Alright, here we go. Oh, go in. Go in. That's it.
That's perfect.
It'll work. It's not moving. So I'll show you. It's just a little bit of a. So when I was a kid, there's a bit of wood. I just do this all the time.
Plus,
See, I didn't do that when I was
see,
a
we didn't
kid.
have these opportunities when we were
Yeah.
kids.
And then just. Safe as houses. Kind of.
Unless you live in, I'm going to not say that joke on camera.
You about to have a go at my heritage?
Edit all that out, guys. Pop a tea towel on there.
I don't have to go.
Well, pop a chucks. So people know.
Now they know.
And now, Ruby, if you ever want to put a rail up at your
By the time we
house,
start doing the decking, you'll know how to put a screw in. You should just be doing that 2 million times. But that's good. That's something. That's an improvement, isn't it?
yeah,
Yeah.
cute. We're going to hang tea towels up there and doesn't look like a clothes, the washing line one underneath. And Jacob's shelf.
Yeah, it goes with Jacob's shelf. It works with it. That's why I got it to be black. So. Oh, Jesus.
Be careful, otherwise I'll leave you all alone.
This man's going to get
The theoretical man, the hypothetical man.
Hypothetical man.
Perfect.
I like it. I like it a lot.
You like it a lot?
I like it a lot.
I like it.
Jeez.
Perfect.
Watch out, Chris Benny. Look we are.
So watch out, Chris Petty.
Ruby's taken over.
Yeah, Ruby can go. That's fine.
Ruby knows what's going on.
Bettertotes and
Yeah. Yeah, Ruby's the gardens part.
Wow. There we go.
That looks really pretty.
Thanks. It's a little messy, but we'll clean her up. I feel like yeah.
Oh!
You got 2 basil plants and that other one, right?
Yeah. Basil plants don't need anything. I've got a basil plant from Aldi that I've just kept in water for like 5 months.
Really?
Yeah, they just keep growing, don't they?
Yeah. I haven't bought basil for a very long time.
That's perfect. It's so good. That pot has a new lease on life.
Right?
Could have gone to the bin, but now it's just living its best life. I love it.
Well, we'll see.
But we shall see.
We shall see if it lives its best life. But for the moment, it's pretty cute. just needs a bit of a clean up.
Our cat used to love basil, didn't she?
Huh?
Our cat, Mishy. Are you going to pick some herbs after that's been out here in the bee garden?
Be good for you, I think.
Which one is it? What is this one?
Oregano?
Is this hot and spicy?
Yeah.
I'm going to try it. Try some, Shane.
No, we'll wait for it.
Just try it.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, sounds good.
Back of the
Is it actually hot and spicy?
Try some.
Really?
Yeah, try it.
Okay. I'm only going to try it because I know that you're very sensitive to spicy
I'm very
things.
sensitive, so maybe I'm... Ouchie.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
fine.
What are you talking about? No, it's spicy, isn't it?
Yo.
Maybe I got to...
Try it again, Ruby. Get another piece.
Okay. Yeah, it's got a bit of a kick.
A bit?
Maybe I got to...
Try some more.
No, I did it. I tried it.
It is hot and spicy. Is it hot and spicy?
That's better now. But
Like it burnt my
I
tongue.
didn't expect it to be soaps.
Ouch, that's terrible. Shush.
I was about to say something. Now I've lost my train of thought. So
Lime tree. Love
any
it.
limes yet?
Oh, almost.
Almost.
Purple rain and herbs. Purple rain. That purple rain.
Some of these are struggling. I think this is a bad
Yeah.
idea.
Apparently lavender's meant to be in full sun and like a dryish soil. But the time's going well. Success. Shane's sweeping. Wow.
Pass for the
You don't do much sweeping at our house.
Right?
You don't do much sweeping at our house, Shane.
Don't do enough so for dinner,
It's so tough.
You know, that-
Really cool.
but, you know,
I can't hear
in the Jetsons,
Rosie.
like Rose.
Not as hot.
Bullshit. Not about the same body shape.
Rosie was, oh no, she wasn't hot. The mum was
She was
hot.
more of like a grandmother type.
Yeah, like caring.
Yeah.
Judy.
Judy.
Yeah.
No, Jane.
Jane,
His wife.
wife.
Da, 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 da. Did you find it interesting in those cartoons and stuff in the 90s when we were all kids, 80s? Like the wife and all the girls are all hot, but the dads and the male figures in the show were all dorks.
That's like an Adam Sandler movie.
Yeah, they're all hot, and then you've got fucking Adam Sandler.
Gomez is smoking.
Who?
What's that?
In the Adams family, Gomez is smoking.
The Addams Family.
No, I'm
sorry.
talking about Adam Sandler.
Oh, Adam Sandler.
Oh. Adam's Family, Gomez. Yeah. He's a babe. They're all babes. Even Lurch.
Yeah, even Lurch. Great work, Shane. You're doing a really good job. I'm really proud of you. Whew, I feel exhausted today.
Well, let's go do this other job.
Do you need my help to do this other job?
You gotta cover it.
Driveway, driveway, driveway. Cardboard and paper only. Oh. Rubbish only. Love heart. I heart bags. Oh my god. No bin bags. That's fucking great. Tuna Arena.